World's richest country is all over LinkedIn, issuing hiring calls, telling foreigners that they are open, and their sun is clearly shining brighter than even the Toronto sun. They're offering clearance to foreign workers in just 5 working days, and the government there is helping you get a job directly. How can you use their free government programs, and which are the top 10 companies that are hiring foreign workers with massive salaries? Hello and namaste, my name is Nidhi Nagori and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a regular viewer of my channel, thank you so much for stopping by yet again and spending time with me. My name is Nidhi, I'm a digital creator, a finance professional, and also the founder of 2 Canadian companies, Creatify and Resi Network. With Resi Network, our goal is very simple. We want to make sure global opportunities are accessible to one and all. And that's why Resi Network gives you access to all the global job fairs that are hiring foreign workers, more than 1,000 global recruiters that have hired our own clients in the past, and a lot more tools. More info about what we do is in the description box, so go check us out. And now let's talk Luxembourg, the world's richest country, which currently is running out of workers. And now they're actively going online on LinkedIn, job boards, everywhere where they can go to hire you. Let's talk some stats. GDP per capita here is over 90,000 euros per year. It's ranked number 1 in safest country for expats by Legitim Prosperity Index in 2024. Also ranked number 2 in the world for being the world's most resilient economy and for attracting global expats. And here's the real kicker. 74% of Luxembourg's population is made of expats, who are either foreign nationals or cross-border commuters. This country runs on international talent, and in 2026, it needs more of it. So in this video, we're going to cover 5 total sections, followed by an outro, which will be how you can plan your move to this country. We're also going to talk about the work visas, government initiatives, and the top companies that you should be applying to. First, let's talk about section number 1, labor shortage. So Luxembourg as a country only has 700,000 people, of which the workforce is 485,000, and 228,000 of these are people who commute regularly. So these people either live in France, Belgium, Germany, or other parts of EU. In Luxembourg, only 1 out of 4 workers is Luxembourgish citizen. But why is this happening? Simply because Luxembourg has one of the most dynamic economies in the EU. It's the number 1 investment fund center in Europe and second largest in the world after the United States. It hosts 12 EU institutions, including the Court of Justice of the European Union, the European Court of Auditors, and the European Investment Bank. It has a booming fintech, logistics, and steel industry, plus a fast-growing tech and space sector. Yes, that's space. Luxembourg is actually a hub for space tech companies. And so they're faced with a big challenge. By 2040, Luxembourg has to recruit 335,000 workers. And these include 155,000 jobs which have not yet been created. According to ADEM, Luxembourg's national employment agency, the country currently sees labor shortages in 22 occupations. And because of these major labor shortages, the minimum wage has only gone up. So in Luxembourg, the minimum wage right now is more than 3,000 euros. And the national monthly average is 5,200 euros, making it one of the highest in all of Europe. Which brings me to section number 2. Why should you as a foreign worker choose Luxembourg? Well, first of all, here language is not a barrier. Over 65% of employers accept English as a primary language. And residents here speak an average of 3 languages: French, German, and Luxembourgish, which happens to be the highest in EU. All of these, along with English, coexist in workplaces. So no matter which of these languages you speak, you will never feel like an outsider here. The number 2 reason is it's the most globally connected country in the world. Luxembourg holds the top spot on KOF Globalization Index as the most socially globalized country on earth. Over 180 nationalities are represented in its workforce. And there's a significant community from every country that you can think of, whether it's Portugal, France, Italy, Belgium, India, China, Brazil, Ukraine, Romania, Germany, or whichever place you might be from. Almost everybody here is from someplace else. And that makes integration remarkably smooth. Reason number 3 is quality of life, which is exceptional. Here you get more than 25 days of annual leave, strong labor protection, free public transport, and a central location with direct flights to more than 70 countries. And yes, you heard that right. The public transport here is totally free. And the last and 4th reason is career mobility as an international worker on visa. Now, we all know that international workers in North America, like Canada and US, face a major issue, which is they're not able to change their employers easily. But not in Luxembourg. Because by May 2026, Luxembourg has to implement the EU's new single permit directive, which means non-EU workers will simply be able to change their employers by notifying the government, and they do not have to file a new permit all over again. And it also means that if you lose your job, you also get 3 to 6 months of residency to find your next opportunity instead of having to leave immediately. And believe it or not, these are game-changing protections because it gives you the flexibility to choose your employer, to change your employer, and to have adequate time to find your next opportunity if you are laid off. I'm sure all of this information is exciting enough. So let's talk about the work visas, which is our next section. And I'm only going to talk about 4 work visas, which I recommend. Now, before I jump onto the work visas, I want to mention that Resu Network has a career destination portal. This basically is a list of career destinations that we recommend that are open to foreign workers, and Luxembourg is one of them. That little article has all the secret tips that you must know if you're applying to Luxembourg. It has visa types, job opportunities, and the platform itself has so many job fairs that highly recommend. Now, the most important thing that you must remember is that Luxembourg does not offer a job seeker visa. So you always need a signed employment contract before you start working here. The first visa that I recommend is the Standard Salaried Worker Visa, which is a long-term D-stay visa. This is the most common route for non-EU professionals, and it's very simple. Your employer registers the vacancy with ADEM, obtains a foreign labor certificate, and then applies to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs on your behalf. You then apply for the Type D visa for Luxembourg in your home country. The processing time is about 8 to 12 weeks, and if your occupation is on the shortage occupation list, your employer will get the foreign labor certificate in just 5 days, which will cut your overall visa processing time to 3 to 4 weeks. The second visa I recommend is the EU Blue Card. Now, this is for highly qualified professionals with a university degree and a minimum salary of 63,408 euros per year. But the salary can be a little lower if you're in a shortage occupation field. The EU Blue Card is the gold standard. It gives your spouse the right to work immediately, offers faster family reunification, and makes it super easy to move between EU member states. The processing time here is about 4 to 8 weeks long. The next visa I recommend is probably the most difficult to get, but one that everybody tries for. This is the intra-company transfer. So if you work for a multinational company that has a Luxembourg office, you can ask for a transfer, and if you are given that transfer, you are able to apply for this visa. But you must be a manager, a specialist, or a trainee. This visa is valid for up to 3 years, and the processing time is 4 to 8 weeks. And the last visa I recommend is the entrepreneur or self-employment permit. If you're somebody who's a freelancer or wants to be a freelancer or a consultant in Luxembourg, or you want to launch your own business, this is the pathway you must take. Now, it does require you to demonstrate your business plan and your financial ability to stay in Luxembourg without any other support. But as long as you're able to demonstrate that you will contribute to the local economy of Luxembourg, this visa is highly attainable. Also, another thing to keep in mind is that Luxembourg does not offer digital nomad visa, which a lot of other EU countries offer. So if you do want to live and work in Luxembourg, but your employer is outside, or if you have remote work, you would still apply for the self-employment permit. Permanent residency in Luxembourg is available after 5 years of continuous stay, and you must be able to speak Luxembourgish at an A2 level and listen to it at a B1 level, which honestly is very achievable once you've spent so many years there. And the good thing is that the government reimburses for the cost of language courses. All of this conversation now gets me to the next 2 sections, which is how do you find your next opportunity there. Now, before we talk about how the government is going all gung-ho on hiring foreign talent, let me quickly tell you how Resu Network can help you expedite your relocation to Luxembourg. We have this amazing set of global recruiters, more than 1,000 in the world, that have hired our own clients in the past. I won't say always hired, but they've definitely interviewed, they're okay with visa sponsorship, etc. So it's a very curated list of recruiters, and if you're looking for Luxembourg, you can just go and filter by country and find someone there. Here you can also filter by specialization and status, and many recruiters also have their email, so you can send them an email directly instead of connecting with them on LinkedIn. So the first and best resource that you can use is the Work in Luxembourg website. I know I've spoken about this in the past, but on Jan 28, 2026, the government of Luxembourg revamped everything and launched it again to make sure that this time Luxembourg was on the global radar of every non-EU national. This government-led platform is still called Work in Luxembourg, but it's not just another job board. This time, it's a centralized gateway built in collaboration with the Chamber of Commerce, the Chamber des Métiers, ADEM, and Lux Innovation. All these 4 partners have come together to make sure that they are able to hire the best foreign talent in the world. So what should you do as an international talent? The first thing is, of course, go onto the website and look at their 3 pillars. Work here, which covers all the career opportunities and industry pathways. Live here, that talks about family, education, and culture. And Get Started, which talks about visa processes, housing, banking, residence permit procedures, all in one place. Alongside the digital portal, the government has also launched a physical talent desk. Currently, it's located near the House of Entrepreneurship, and newcomers can simply walk in and get consultation, relocation guidance, connect with employers, all of that at no cost. Then you can go to the job search section. You can look through jobs, apply through opportunities that you think are relevant for your profile. But my favorite is going to the talent section and uploading your resume. If you are in an occupation that's on shortage occupation list, then you will be onboarded by the government of Luxembourg to find a job. And there are many benefits to it. it. First of all, the government will do job matching for you. So you know how you go and apply for a job online and wait for employers to come back? Now this will happen in reverse. The government of Luxembourg will put your profile in front of local employers and have them see and select you for interview. You will also be invited to regular job fairs that are held online, and they tend to do about 3 to 4 in a year. And if you live in and around the EU area, you will be called in for in-person job fairs as well. Apart from this, they're posting so much on LinkedIn about current openings, country highlights, talent attraction schemes, etc. To me, it's very clear. This government is going out to the world and saying, we need you. And I'm not hallucinating. Their Minister of Labour, Mark Spots, put it very plainly when the platform was launched. And I quote, "To remain competitive and attractive at the international level, we must continue to attract skilled talent and support our businesses in responding to the rapid transformations of the labour market." So clearly the government is welcoming you. But if you find it a little too overwhelming, here are top 10 companies, which is my next section, that you can look at when you start your journey of applying to Luxembourg as a foreign national. The first one is Deloitte Luxembourg. It currently advertises over 100 vacancies, the most of any company on IDEM's board. The roles span tax consulting, software development, IT, security, financial audit, admin functions, etc. Next one is Amazon Luxembourg, one of the top 5 largest employers in the Grand Duchy, with over 4,000 employees and 80 plus active openings. Programmers, product managers, marketing staff, EU policy analysts, you name it, they have an opportunity. Next one on my list is ArcelorMittal Luxembourg. The global steel giant is looking for more than 70 people right now in different portfolios: supply chain managers, software developers, financial analysts, CNC operators, mechanical engineers, and more. After this, I have PwC Luxembourg with more than 40 roles open in market analysis, network engineering, financial audit, credit risk, HR consulting, marketing, and more. Then we have JP Morgan Luxembourg, a cornerstone of the financial services sector in Luxembourg, hiring fund managers, compliance officers, and financial analysts with salaries ranging from 100,000 to 120,000 euros. After this, we have CFL, Luxembourg Railways. This is the largest non-governmental employer, planning more than 300 hires across 40 roles in 2026, from train drivers and conductors to mechatronic engineers, accountants, and logistics managers. Then we have the BGL BNP Paribas, which is Luxembourg's major retail and investment bank, and it has currently more than 30 openings, including legal advisors, investment fund managers, credit risk managers, asset managers, and IT. After this, we have Clearstream, which is a major financial infrastructure player seeking more than 19 professionals in back office operations, IT, tax advisory, credit analysts, and financial control. This is followed by KPMG Luxembourg with over 30 active vacancies for financial analysts, IT specialists, quality managers, and more. And the last on my list is Cargo Lux Airlines, Luxembourg's flagship cargo airline and one of the world's largest cargo carriers, consistently hiring for supply chain, logistics, and aviation roles, with supply chain salaries averaging more than 100,000 euros. And because it's my channel, I can't really leave you with just 10 employers. So here are 3 more bonus employers to keep an eye out on. The first one is Goodyear Luxembourg. Then we have Post Luxembourg. And finally, the Helef Doheim Foundation. Now I know we've spoken a lot about Luxembourg. How do you really start this process? Let me give you a step-by-step breakdown of what you should do. The first thing you want to do is check the shortage occupation list of Luxembourg. See if you qualify in there. Now there are a lot of roles in there that are already listed, so make sure that you're there. It is in French, so you will need a basic translator tool that can help you translate it. And if you are there, you want to sign up as an international talent on the Work in Luxembourg website and then go onto the job portal. See what kind of opportunities are there, find relevant roles. This is so crucial that you find relevant roles only and you apply to only those roles that match your profile. After doing all of this appropriately, you can look at the top 10 companies that I recommended in today's video. Currently, these companies alone have over 1,500 openings and it covers almost every corporate function that you can think of. So again, same process, go in, look for what's the opportunity that's relevant to your profile and go and apply. If you're thinking of applying to any company, don't just go for HR, go for people who work there and connect with them on LinkedIn. And lastly, follow all the official sources along with Resi Network. On that note, this amazing video has come to an end. I hope you found this video informative and I hope you will consider applying to the world's richest country because they're holding the door open for you. And let me know in the comments what is your background, because depending on your background, I can then think about making videos for those specific fields and find which countries are best suited for you. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, please make sure you take care of yourself. Stay safe. Namaste.